Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone? Sorry, I'm a bit late. It's on me. I was driving. Trust me, drove pretty aggressively, as fast as I could. And the markets are open. We have basically going to start off. I'm not going to waste too much time of yours. Hello, Nick. Hello, Sandris. Hello, Munyad and Gilyada. For everyone, hello, hello, hello. So, as I was expecting, the market has been brutal in the last couple of days. But right now, we have taken all the liquidity from up below, from up above, not below, up above, and kind of pushing down. What I want to see is at least back-to-back fair value gaps to be left on the 1 minute. If that is the case, I'll be happy to take a short position and target the 400% right over here, which is also this pending liquidity right up over here. So just going to give it 23 seconds. It might be the quickest trade we have ever done. So just give it 20 seconds, let the market play out. You could very well wait for a reaction and going market to go back into this fair value gap. Let's see how we close this candle. If we close with displacement, I think I'll just enter. Yeah, I'm going to take this short. That's the quickest short I've done, I guess, forever. I'm going to take this short. All right, I'm in. Little lower down entry, but I'm happy with it. Back-to-back fair value gaps. By the way, this is half risk for me as I've already lost a trade and I have not won a trade in the last 3 trades. So half risk. And also we have London low and London Q1 low here, which I think might just give way. Whatever, we might just see some retracement back into this fair value gap. And yeah, cool. That was the quickest trade we have done on stream. But yes, let's just quickly talk about where the market is and how the market is doing. Right, let's get not this. I want to hide this. So visibility, just show me on 1 to maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, that's better. And get rid of all this. So where is the market trading right now? The market is not leaving any sort of bullish fair value gaps, at least on the 4-hourly. On the daily, we have seen some sort of reaction from the previous day high. Quick sell-off as and when we breached previous day high, and the market started to kind of retrace back lower. What I want to see from the market now is if it is bearish, it should basically, as it has taken all these highs and it is now trying to trade below Monday's high, not to kind of go above and push above Monday's high. That's the most important thing. You want the market to stay below this 30, what is this area? 3,700 area. You want the market to stay below this. If the market stays below this, it is basically telling you that the day is going to be much more bearish than it is already. Which is right now literally flat, not really bearish. So you want the market to stay below this area for a short to work out. And if the short works out, I can say that we will be dropping down at least 100 to 200 points. On the upside, if the market stops us out and the market tries to push higher, I have the 3,900 area in mind. I will be planning along if only that works out. Initially, when I was driving, I was looking at the charts and I was like, where does the market look like it wants to go? And I was like, it looks like it wants to go lower, but with a caveat that if we see displacement at open, we might get a scalp trade until 3,900 area, but that didn't happen. The market decided to go down quickly. Looking at the 1-hourly, this looks like a fucking shit candle. All the liquidity taken and the candle is rejecting as if there is no tomorrow. So let's see whether this fair value gap right over here for the 1-hourly fair value gap, which has been holding price up throughout the day, still can hold it up. If it can hold it up, well, I'll call it a day. Trust me. If my honest answer would be I'll call it a day. If the price can be held again by this fair value gap, then I'll have to call it a day because I'd have no clue then where the market wants to go. Quickly on the 15-minute, first 10 minutes have been pretty bearish. Market looks like it wants to go lower. Let's see. True day open is just above us. The candle currently looks bearish, but could turn around. And in regards of our current position, we have inverted the third fair value gap. We have not yet reached the 250% of these two fair value gaps. So that is good. And now we are testing this fair value gap. So we are basically playing the acceleration gap model. That is the ghost protocol. And we are saying that, hey, now you should not go above this fair value gap. By the way, the stop loss over here might seem incorrect. It's literally above this. So around 3764. All right. And we are getting around 2.8 hour to 400%. So let's see. That is kind of the gist of the market. If the market reverses and starts inverting all these fair value gap because it has swept the London low, I'll be happy to take a long, but only after it inverts this fair value gap. All right. So because of us taking London low at open, if we invert this fair value gap, That is a long position for me. Until this fair value gap stays, I'm going to stay bearish in the market. Also, the same thing applies over here. Because the market has taken this order block, which swept all that liquidity, right, turned it into breaker block, I'm basically being bearish until we stay below it. If we go above it, that's another story. All right, that's it. That was quick. I'm done for the stream. Any questions from anyone? Just kidding. So how have you been? Yesterday I was supposed to stream, so I should thank Kumar for taking on the responsibility to do a stream yesterday. I traveled to Bournemouth with my family, and I just couldn't reach there in time. It was a one-day trip, not too much, just to get little bit of rest from day to day managing baby. I'm not used to that. So yeah, we went there. It was a lovely place. We went to pool for the first time ever. From the time I've been in the UK, I've never been to pool. And when I went there, I was like, okay, this is a hidden gem. It's beautiful. So really loved it. If you haven't been to pool, you should go there. Specifically stay at this Sandbanks Hotel. It's like right in the perfect spot. Yeah, Bournemouth is lovely. Yes. And it's the hotel was in the, I mean, I don't like hotels in UK because there's no hospitality, there's no luxury, there's nothing associated with them. It's all shit always. But even though the hotel was old, it was in the perfect spot. I mean, I just loved sitting in the terrace. With yesterday, there was a nice little breeze, and I was just sitting there chilling, relaxing, while Kumar was trying to make trades and make money, and I was already losing. So I'm all, by the way, for people who are trying to trade with me, I'm down 2.5 hour for the month. It's been a fucking shit start. And with this one, I'll be down further. It will basically equal 3 hour because that's a half risk trade, and I'll be down 3 hour, but that's fine. And yeah, it's not, I mean, the price action's been pretty ugly. It does something, it creates back-to-back fair value gaps and then just reverses completely. It does some, it will basically invert order blocks, invert breaker blocks, and then do something else altogether. So it's been like very weird PA, which is okay. Like what you can do best is, yes, you will have losers. I mean, I have losing streaks. If I can have winning streaks, I'll have losing streaks as well. Is manage your risk and just make sure that, okay, if the market is not behaving, you should also not misbehave in terms of your risk. And that's the most important thing I try to focus on. And yeah, that's about it. That's my focus and everything. By the way, guys, if you are in some discords, can you do me a favor? Can you please share the stream link on other discords? Don't spam it. If there are like-minded people who want to trade, ask them to join us, ask them to be here. Kumar, put it on your Twitter. You have a lot of followers now, I've seen. Put it on your Twitter that we are streaming today, and others as well. Please, it would be really kind of you if you can basically ask people to join, not scammers. I mean, I gained a lot of people in the Discord in the last week or so, and I just realized like 30% of them were scammers. And the moment I put a bot in to start banning people who are changing their usernames often and who have squid in their usernames ever, it basically banned 8 people straight away, who basically changed their username to Squid Traders or United Boy, whatever, because I support Man United. And then straight away, the moment they send messages to people, they changed it back so that they can stay in the group and I'll never get to know. But they don't fucking know that I'm smart. But yeah, they're motherfuckers, all of them. But yeah, cool. So looking good as of now. Good rejection from that lovely fair value gap right over there on the 1 minute time frame. So that's a good rejection. What I want to see is create a new low. If we do that, I'll move my stops up here. I mean, the only concern I'll have it by moving up here is those equal highs that we have created just now. One really fucking hell. How do I get rid of them? Sorry, man. If you're talking to me, you know that you're talking to me. Nobody else. I've tried to make my account very expensive to replicate as well now. I've spent like 50 quid just trying to buy stupid shit. Yes, 2 minute order block and unicorn entry. This is it. Iliada is smart. So 2 minute order block. There you go. Oh, that's 1 minute. Fuck me. So 2 minute order block is this. And unicorn entry is just the clip of the order block. Perfect entry, Iliada. As always, you are the best. Nice push down. I want to see how we leave, price action over here. I want to kind of bring this in as well. So it should go towards 200 to 50%. Yarding is Discord smart now. I hope I was Discord smart. I mean, it's not 1 hour yet, I think. No, it's 1 hour at around 200%. So I'm just going to wait for that to happen. I'm not going to try and take TP right here. It's not even 1 hour. So let the market push. Gautam. I think that is Gomez. If not, then hello, Gautam. If you are Gomez, then lovely. Welcome. How are you doing, brother? So good push down. We have a couple of fair value gaps. I really want to see what the 5-minute is looking like, because if the 5-minute leaves a fair value gap, then I think I will just move my stop loss lower. Let's see, still 4.5 minutes to go to this 5-minute closure. So we really can't do much. What we can see though is that the 2-minute is trying to leave a back-to-back fair value gap in the next 2 minutes. If that can happen, that would be great. My first TP for this trade will be 200%. That's 3579. I'll TP, that's my first TP, and I'll basically trim. So, and I'm going to trim. So I've trimmed one TP, that's 25% of position closed. And I'm going to move my stops to the top of this candle now. So this will be my new SL. So the reason I'm moving it here and not above here is because, well, there are two back-to-back fair value gaps in this area. I mean, if the market decides that I'm going to leave two back-to-back fair value gaps and I'm going to invert them straight away, well, there's no use putting it up here. Why lose some more money when we can save some? So, and the back-to-back fair value gaps have the 200% over here. So this is nice as well. So I'm going to move my TP a little lower, down to 3423.25. By the way, today I'm trading with Humble Funding on their Onyx platform. If you are not with Humble Funding, I don't know what the fuck you are doing with your life. You are such a stupid person. So 17 people, I expect 17 of you to be going and buying accounts using my fucking affiliate link so that I can make some money, right? You cannot keep me poor, guys. Your job and the reason you were born and we are in the world is to make me rich. So fucking go and buy some Humble Funding accounts and make me rich. But jokes apart, they have a great instant funding account, right? You spend so much money trying to get funded, and then you get funded and you blow your accounts. They are literally offering you an instant funded account. That means there is no fucking test. There is no test involved, right? You are funded from word go. You can request payout from the word go. And a 50,000 account is around $385. I can assure you, people who have been trading prop firms, they can tell you that they have spent more on getting an account, failing an account, then getting another account, then failing another account. So rather get something that pays you from day one. So go on to Humble Funding, they get their instant funded account. Do not get the bloody 10K or 20K account. They are not really great. The 50K one is the perfect one. Get the 50K account, 20% consistency, go and make $2,000, withdraw fucking $1,000 and then get more accounts with other firms or with them. That's up to you. But please just be smart, guys. Okay, I think we can go break even now because we have confirmed back-to-back fair value gaps. So we can go break even, we can chill out, relax for a bit now. If the market keeps going down, I will, to be honest, I'm going to target previous day low now. Why the 50K? That sort of questions is what I like. So bro, the reason you want the 50K is because of the risk to reward associated. So on a 50K, the drawdown is 2,000, right? So it basically makes your life easier. You can take $200 risk on each trade. Now imagine you were about to take this trade and you were taking it on a 25K account. Your risk would be at least 20% of your total drawdown, right? Because even if you took one contract, that's $170. Whereas on a 50K, it's one contract and that is 5%. That's the normal risk you should take on a funded account. So that is, and 5% of drawdown, okay? 5 to 10% of drawdown, that should be your risk. That is why 50K is the perfect account to buy on any funded company. Not 150K, not 100K, it's always 50K. That's the best account. 100K with Apex is good, I think, on their end of day drawdown, because of the reason it is good is because if you're going for end of day drawdown, 100K basically offers you better payout because they have 6 payouts now. They've changed their rules. and it just offers you better payout. So it is better because of that. Otherwise, any firm, 50K is the best account. Oh, and I had a hiccup. That's fine. So I hope that makes sense to you, bro. So always try to get 50K accounts. And I can assure you, I mean, I'm just using Onyx and looks quite decent. It's like Top Step X, not very different, quite decent. I'm liking it. So yeah, why not? So now what I'm waiting for is, can we leave back-to-back fair value gaps on the 5 minutes? See, you just keep going down time frames, because if we can leave back-to-back fair value gaps on 5 minutes, let's say the high is somewhere around here, then previous day low becomes your target, and we can be like, ah, nice. Yeah, 5% risk, like that's normal. Do you want to pass? Like, the point is, do you want to pass a funded challenge or get payouts from funded challenges? Or is your aim to marry one of them and keep them as your wife and have kids with the funded account? Because if your aim is to pass a funded challenge and be able to withdraw money from it, then you have to take risk. If you're not taking risk, then, well, you're just sitting there trying to not blow the account forever and ever and ever, and that forever will go on, man. Like, you have to take risk. So it looks like the 5-minute fair value gap was just for me to move my stops lower, but it didn't happen. But if we leave back-to-back fair value gaps, I'm going to move my stops. Like, simple. Because if we go below previous week high, I can assure you we took PDL in ES and YM. Okay, that's why. That's not a confirmed SMT yet. Still 10 minutes to go to 4-hourly closure. So I'm going to give it 10 minutes. I don't think it's going to take that in 10 minutes, but even if it stops us out, I've taken a TP and we have moved our stops in profit, so I'm fine. On prop firm, the risk management is different than if you trade with your own money. That is a very, 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 very important point from Po. When you trade your own money, your risk management is totally different. You have to look at it like this, right? You can get a $2,000 drawdown for instant funded, for example, for $385 overall. That gives you 1:4 leverage already. So for every dollar of your real money, you're getting $4 coming from the prop firm, right? So you have to keep that into account to basically make decisions when you're buying, when you're trading. Okay, I think previous day low might not happen, but let's see. This is a very good reaction of Asia low. I'm going to see whether we can move our stops anywhere. Sensible. 10, 10, 10. I might take a long if we continue like this. I think our stops are in a beautiful place. If by any chance we go on to push higher, I don't see a long position until we go above this area, right? Once we go above this area, that's when I can long. Until then, there is no long. So yeah. So let's see what the market wants to do here. I mean, there's nothing lost yet. I'm just trying to see where it wants to stop. Because if we get rejected here, I will be happy to move my stops down to here. But what I want to see is us inverting these fair value gaps that we have just left. So if we can invert these fair value gaps, I'm happy to move my stops lower. So let's wait and watch. What is Bollinger Band telling us? Yeah, agreed. Let's see. Let's see the reaction of the MA. But as of now, the bullish price action is literally wiping off a couple of fair value gaps that we have left. So are we even leaving a fair value gap now? No back-to-back fair value gap. So let's just move it here first. No back-to-back fair value gap on 5 minutes. 15-minute candle looks ugly as fuck, but we still have a massive fair value gap up top. So let's get rid of some noise. Better. We have massive, massive fair value gap on 15 minutes. So yeah, let's see. All right, so we are trying to push down. Let's see how we react here. This is going to be the decision point, if we can invert these fair value gaps straight away or not. I'm liking this candle. I'm going to move my stops up here. Just reduce the risk completely and get in some profit. So this will be the new SL for me at the close of this candle. So I'll wait for 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yeah, I'm going to move my stops there. If I get stopped here, that's fine by me, because I feel if I get stopped on this right over here, it will basically push higher. So, and with the SMT in play in 5 minutes time from the 4 hourly, I don't want to be part of the short then, because ES has taken, as Kumar said, ES has taken previous day low, YM has taken previous day low, NQ hasn't, and NQ is bloody far away from it. So I just want to protect myself. If you got time, can you look at Apple stock? Want to short it big time? Okay, let's check it out in a bit. Once we are done with this trade, bro, I promise you I'll check it out. To be honest, let the trade run. We'll just open a new one. I got a boom, boom, boom. Bro, why would you want to short it yet? Like, why would you want to short it? You can try to, but look at this, man. If it has no, I'll not short it yet, man. I mean, for me to short it, I want to see at least on the 4 hourly. So today the market basically reverses completely, takes all these liquidity and then reverses, inverts this daily fair value gap. If it does that, then maybe. But remember, this is an order block over here. So it could end up being a unicorn. It could push higher. So just be careful with that. So still in the trade. Yeah, I'll not want to short it yet. Not yet. Okay. So, bro, I mean, you can look for opportunity, but there's still a lot to go. And you're saying below 300, right? Below 300 trigger. Okay, yes, sir, yes. Yes, if you invert all these things, yes, happy, you should be taking a shot. If it goes below 300, fucking short this motherfucker. So below 300 is basically inversion of this first fair value gap. And that could basically mean, when you say big time, I get scared, but I feel I agree with you. If you are looking, you can basically look for below 300. You can look for 246 area. That's the first liquidity target. And yeah, it looks good for a short then. So yes, Apple is not looking bad for a short. Below 300 though. So what I want to see now is us leaving at least one fair value gap to the downside, because I want to move my stops lower. So I don't want this previous week high to support price anymore. If it does, then that's going to be fucking rude of it, because we have been trying to short this market for like last 5 months and it has not given us a good short opportunity. And today looks like a good short as of now. I want previous week high to give way and let us enjoy something. But yeah, that's the most important. This is the most important area right now. If this area is broken by even one candle closing below it, I can assure you our full TP will be hit. And maybe we'll have a runner which will be going further lower. So pray to God, everyone, whatever God you believe in. I believe in Krishna. Kumar, you believe in Krishna as well, I think. Bro, if you believe in any God, you have yin yang on there, so maybe Buddha. I don't know. But pray to any God that you love, that our trade should go our way. But yeah, if previous week high is not, we can't trade below previous week high, then our stops will be hit. We will make around 1 hour overall, not less than 1 hour maybe. Whatever, we'll make that on this trade. At least my first winner for the month of June. I'll be happy. But yeah, because we have not left any fair value gap. I mean, the rejection from there is nice. I like the rejection from this. And we have inverted this bullish fair value gap as well. Not really. We basically just traded into it and are reacting off it. So we inverted it, but we didn't really accelerate, displace lower. So hopefully we'll displace lower 10 more seconds. So I would love for it to close below this. That would give me confidence. But yeah, let's see. Oh, fuck you. Closed below, but straight away a volume imbalance to the upside. So if you can see here, the candle did close below, but then straight away there was a volume imbalance to the bullish side on the 2 minute, which doesn't make me happy, which tells me this market is going to push higher. Cool, cool, cool. What's happening on our lovely little Discord? By the way, I'm quite sure all of you are on Discord, but if you are not, then fucking join Discord. It's free of cost. For people who are on Twitter, if you're not on our Discord, just join our Discord. It's free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You can enjoy us, our banter, our fun, and every other thing that we do, that is losing together, winning together, in there. But yeah, let's see. So as I said, that volume imbalance of the 2 minute is basically pushing price higher. I would love to see us getting rejected again, but as of now, this fair value gap has stood and it's basically pushing price up. ISM service PMI because of it. Okay, fuck it. Also, it could be the new 4-hourly wick to the upside that's being created. And me moving stops here right now might be the wrong idea, because if I was having stops here, this could sweep this and then reject again. So if you really do not care about a little bit of win here, put it over here and just let the market sweep these highs and then go down again, because I think that will happen most likely. But I don't do that. I move my stop, so I'm going to stick to it and I'll take another entry if I get one. But logically, what the market will do is sweep these highs, like something along these lines. This could easily happen. Sweep these highs and then straight away reject down. So yeah, just be cautious. Another tiny volume imbalance, but not that big. So not too worrying for me yet. I mean, what you could do is go break even and leave this, instead of fighting for this small profit, go break even and just let the trade run. If you want, honestly, you can do that. I mean, I can do that, but I've already broken my rule once last week. So if I do that, I'll be breaking it again. So I'm stopped out on this, around 0.7, 0.8 hour. So at least kind of first profitable trade for the month. Happy with that. But I'm still waiting for the same opportunity. So if now we can do a change in state of delivery, so we can basically go back down and do a change in state of delivery on this. I will enter and the entry will be on 15 seconds. So let's see. So my thought process is, can you close below this candle? And this will be my trade to previous day low. So let's see. Let's see if it can do that. If it does that, then that's a great position to be in. That will be a 6-hour trade, and I'll most likely go full risk on this because now I had a winner. So waiting game. Just wait. You let the market take its decision, make its call. If it comes down, great. If it doesn't, if it keeps pushing higher on the upside, I'll be looking, as I said, unless we start inverting this order block on the 1 minute or 2 minute over here, there is no trade for me, because if we invert that, that's also us inverting this area. So I'm just going to wait for that. Rest, the trade will be on 15-second time frame. I want to see a change in state of delivery on these candles and then a push, continuous push down. So let's see. So we are kind of entering below the liquidity again, but not yet displaced below. I'm going to wait for a displacement candle. Just wait for a displacement candle. No rush, no nothing. Just relax, wait. We know what the market might want to do, so we are just waiting for it. We are just trying to be smart instead of reacting, straight away. Just wait, let the market come to you. We took the first reaction trade, we made some money. Now we just hang in there, we just keep waiting and let the market come to us. It's about to come to us or go away from us. Either way, I think it's about to make its decision what it wants to do. There it comes. Let's see whether we can push. That's a good candle. That's a lot of liquidity taken. So we wait. No short yet. We are waiting. Upside, as I said, I'm not taking a trade until we take all those areas. Stops will now be, sorry about that, but a little bigger if we enter. Guys, how many seconds delay do you see normally in these streams? I mean, I'm not sure whether our producer has been kind enough to go to the studio and change the ultra low latency, because that will reduce the buffering to around, if I'm not wrong, 5 seconds or something. You see 8 seconds. Yeah, that could reduce it to 5 seconds. So Sandra is saying it seems bullish to him. Well, I don't know what you are watching, brother. Okay. Give it one more candle. I'll wait one more candle. The reason is this motherfucker right here. What is this? New York PM low from yesterday. I just want to give it one more candle, see whether we can push below this or not. Yeah, that means I can't really trade 15 seconds live, right? It's impossible. Like if you hold one candle behind me, what's the use of me trying to trade that? By the way, Sanders, I was not being rude. I mean, it can be bullish, brother, but it's more about the current price action is not really bullish. The current price action is more like neutral bearish than bullish. So you just wait, you let the market do its thing. Once it has confirmed it's bullish, then why not? I'll take a long as well. Who doesn't like to make money? Still waiting. Whatever plan I make, it doesn't do that. Fuck him. So a new high is created. Again, no displacement yet. So again, a good thing. So again, I'm going to wait for a short position. Still waiting, still waiting. There's nothing to see. Where is the 2-minute Bollinger Band sitting right now? I like it. At last, maybe a displacement. No displacement still. Still waiting. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm happy to take them. Happy to answer them. Still no displacement. So I'm still looking for bearish side to be taken properly. So just keep an eye on this diagonal liquidity. And that's it. Let's see. So now the trade will look something along these lines. Nothing yet. Oh, it's gonna be fucking wait and watch. Oh. So what's 1 minute doing? We are retesting. Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I'm basically going down to 15 seconds. Because at the moment I get a displacement lower, we are trading inside this nice little wedge structure, right? The moment I get displacement lower, I want to take a short. And because it's a bearish 15-minute FEG, it's a massive one. We have 1 minute order blocks sitting right up here. These are the 1 minute order blocks which swept all the Asia low and everything. So logically, the price is right now you should be looking at bearish trades. But once price goes above this 2-minute order block, maybe then any retracement is basically a buy. Closure above 2-minute Bollinger Band. Well, not right now. No, not a big deal. What you're waiting for is one signal from the market that it has lost whatever bullish momentum it created over here. And you are right in the spot. If you are to be rejected, you are to be rejected here. It's about waiting, and let the market come to you. You're just at the right spot. You just need to wait for the right moment to arrive. Looking good. Come on, give me that. So that should be closing the 15-minute in just about 2 minutes. So I expect the upper wick of the 15-minute candle to be formed now. Because right now it has no wick at all. So upper wick to be formed now. And if we are bullish, next candle should basically just go up, turn this whole thing upside down. Still waiting. No trade on the bearish side for now. No trade on the bullish side. There's lack of displacement. We have not yet displaced. We are just slowly going up. So we just wait. These are not trades, by the way. I think that should be a 15-second closure, 15-minute closure. Yep. So there comes the push Upper wick done or not? Come on. So now I think we are trading over what, 1 minute FVG, the last one. So this is the PPR. Still holding on. Might not get an entry. If I don't, that's fine. Happy to end the day with a small, little, tiny winner. Huh. Well, hopefully. It doesn't look like it wants to reject. That's the thing, Po. It doesn't look like it wants to reject. It's showing good strength above it. Like good strength overall above the rising wedge. So that's what I've been waiting for, that since you're about in trading inside a rising wedge, if you push out, there are two things that can happen. So rising wedge, there are two things that will happen most of the time. You will either accelerate very aggressively to the upside, or you will go out, take liquidity, and straight away dump back inside. And that's what I was waiting for here. Maybe this is the manipulation, and then it's going to push down. Let's see. It doesn't look like it wants, it's showing like weakness or strength. Either way, it's showing neither. It's just, if you'll see on the day, I think it should be, yeah, literally flat. So 0.06. So market is not showing weakness, neither showing strength. It's showing a consolidation behavior. That is what exhaustion will look like any day. So all you can do is you can try to time the market and see if you can get a good trade out of it. But yeah, still, my eyes are looking only shorts. Okay, I'm going to take a stab at it with a stop loss above true day open and this order block right over here. And I'm going to target previous day lows. That's going to be, first I'll take the trade. Okay, fucking hell. Okay, cool. Stop losses 3711, 30. It's a 0.5 hour trade. Okay, cool. So entry is like literally where it is, just somewhere around here. And stop loss is just 27 points. It's a 0.5 hour trade. And I will be aggressive with this. So if it goes in my direction, I'll move my stops pretty aggressively. But for that, it needs to go in my direction. So let's see. Not really. Not stopped out yet. So I'm not yet stopped, but if I'm stopped, I'll let you know. It didn't clip me. Let's see if it can get rejected now. Nah, it wants to go higher. It doesn't want to trade below the MA20, so yeah, it wants to go higher. So all things aside, you're looking for a turtle soup right here. Whether it can offer that or not, let's see. There it goes. Let's see if it can push down. This is the moment of truth. This candle will tell you exactly what needs to happen. Either it will stop us out or it will just go in our direction quickly. So moment of truth. I want to see us getting inside this rising wedge again and literally getting smashed. I don't want us to kind of hang around, do some stupid stuff. I want it to just smash through it. Otherwise, yeah, it will just stay there forever. Yeah, it doesn't want to go down. That's not a good change. Come on, just go back inside. And that should be our stop out soon. Important candle. Okay, good push. That's not bad. Invert that fair value gap. Come on. Invert that fair value gap. Come on, you can do it, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, pricey. Don't do that to me. I'm your friend. Cool, cool, cool. It's not looking, honestly, it's not looking too bad. I'm not like, it's not like I'm not liking it. I'm liking the price action right now. It's just that give me one displacement and that's about it. It will be very quick. If we get a displacement in 5 minutes max, you will be taking previous week, previous day low. So if you get displacement here, that's going to be fun to see. I can't move my stops yet, so I'm still waiting for us to kind of get accepted below this area. So my goal is, can we get accepted below this trend line? Because once we get accepted below this, then I can basically be like, yeah, we can move our stops. Until then, it just has to stay where they are. And if it stops us out, it stops us out. It has to be that way. And that should be a stop out soon. No, not again. It doesn't want to stop us out yet. Have I found the perfect spot for a stop loss? It doesn't want to go there no matter what it tries. So let's see whether me saying this will make it go for my stop loss. Okay, now it should. Come on. Either stop me out or go and make it a winner. Don't fuck around. I don't have this much time to just sit here. I mean, I have a lot of time for you guys. I'm just saying for this market to not bore me to death. So still no displacement on either side. Fucking hell, bro. Just go. Fucking can't go. What the fuck are you waiting for? Just either stop me out or go down. So there's a little bit of acceptance below that trend line now. So I'm still looking. I'm still trying to keep my eyes on it because I can't go break even, obviously, this close to price action. But now I'm liking this acceptance below that trend line. So I'm just trying to see whether all the highs that it has accumulated, it wants to sweep them once and stop me out before going down, or it will be just a quick push down. So let's see. Oh, it's fucking stuck. It's slower than my grandma. People don't like trading 15 seconds, I think. They leave the stream. They don't like the fucking rush from 15 seconds, I guess. Or they're like, I'm a gambler. I'm just fucking putting money. I toss a coin and I decide which side the market should go on. I feel it's the later. They think I'm a gambler and I just toss a coin. I wanna go short today. I want to go long today, maybe. Possibly. Yeah, this motherfucker doesn't want to go down, guys. It has broken below a couple of times. It's been accepted below, but it doesn't want to give me the displacement so I can go break even. Las Vegas here we come. Exactly. So this time it should stop me out. Come on. Go on. If it doesn't stop me out this time, I'm buying a lottery ticket today. Really? I don't know how do I get stopped out. My stop loss is $20 in fucking New York session. I'm not that good that I can put a stop in such a beautiful place. Yes, I remember, Steven. You're right. So Steven highlighted this morning in our mentorship session about the 5-minute FVG. And he's like, oh, this is important. I'm like, nah, it doesn't look like it. And then I was looking at the market later. I'm like, damn, fuck. That FVG is not ready to give way. That's just like standing there and be like, oh, fuck you. I'm not going to let price go. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes with a $20 stop loss, Kumar, on 15-second time frame. So that stop loss placement is fucking top notch. Like the market does not want to go to my stops. Like it's that good a stop loss placement right now. It will stop me out though. Now it's looking like it doesn't want to go down. Like see the way the price is reacting every time it goes lower. Yeah, to be honest, it doesn't even give a sense that it wants to go higher because of the way every time it gets rejected and does a turtle soup on that liquidity. So it's a matter of who give way first, whether it be bears or bulls. Yeah, it will be a very quick move either side. I agree. I mean, if somebody has heart condition, they can exit the trade. Big fight going on, exactly. Oh, you go in with your 20 contracts, bro. Come on. I'm literally for me this position size is right now 10 contracts. So if this becomes a 12-13 hour trade, trust me, it's going to be a fun day for me. But I have a feeling it's going to grab all this liquidity before it goes anywhere. So I'm going to be stopped out now. Time out for me. All right, so let's see. This is the last push, I think. Grab of liquidity. And I'm stopped out. That's minus 0.5. I think break-even session. That's fine. I'll keep looking for trades. I mean, for me, it's very, very simple theory right now. If I get an opportunity, it's going to be most likely than not short side. And I will be trading 15 seconds because I don't think I'm going to get an opportunity on a higher time frame. The thought process would be very simple. Can you get rejected from this order block? If not, if you're not getting rejected from the peak of this order block and you go above it, I'll call it a day because I'll only be looking for shorts. The reason is it's a clear liquidity area for me. upside, I have no clue. I really have no clue how to trade this market to the upside right now. I'll be very honest. Like, I will be happy to enter another short if we see a change in state of delivery right here again. Like, if we close below this, I'll take this short again from here. But I'm only looking for shorts. I'm not looking for longs. Maybe I'm being stupid, but I just don't feel comfortable with the long position right now. But again, thank you for spending 57 minutes with me and having a chat, talking to me, being nice to me. We will be doing a giveaway again next Tuesday. So bring on your lucky pants, wear them, and let's see who wins that. But I'll see you tomorrow and I'll see you on Friday. So I'm doing back-to-back 3 days of streaming. So I'll see you on both the days, and take care of yourself, everyone, and enjoy. Bye-bye.